you once again for tuning in to Richard's View. We just wanted to encourage you to like, subscribe, and share to our channel, and go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We are coming up with great content for you, so we'd like you to be a part of our journey, and we look forward to your comments in the comment box below, and we hope to do awesome things together. Thank you so much, and remember to share this YouTube channel to your family and friends as we continue to share contents that I'm sure you will enjoy.